Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be going through the Bung King crash bar for the Sportster. It's a 2004 version and up. I've been looking for a crash bar slash engine guard now for a little bit, and I found this one online here. Had some great reviews, so I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of it, the installation of it, and my overall opinion. I was looking through a couple different crash bars, and I originally got one of the big kind of square looking ones where you can attach highway pegs to it, because my end goal was to have a crash bar with some highway pegs on it, because if you know the Iron 1200, there's no forward controls. It's right kind of by your side there, so your knees will get tired, you know, you want to stretch out. So that was my main goal. So I'm hoping that these do the trick. Very good quality part based off of what I've read, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here's how it came, in a box like this. I did open it up already just to make sure that the right part was in there, but I rewrapped it up and I'll show you exactly how it showed up to my house. So you open it up, you have your typical hardware. You have a cool Bung King sticker, and you have your actual crash bars right here. So wrapped pretty nicely. It's like made out of like steel, so I mean it's fine. All right, here's a better look at how it looks here. These are little foam things at the end. You can pull those right off. So pretty, very sturdy, very heavy. I like the black finish. I wanted the black. I think they have it in a couple different colors, but I got the black. Looking forward to actually installing this to see how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So there's two bolts, two on each side. So you get two on the front here, and you also have two of the exact same ones on the other side. Just really all you're gonna need is a 5/16 Allen. I have the socket version of it, but you can use an Allen key as well. So let's go ahead and just remove these two. Once you've removed all four screws, you're gonna want to go back to if you're looking at the front of the bike on your left hand side, there's this little kind of like bib here or clip. You want to just remove that. You're not going to need this anymore. So here's that. You can move that to the side there, and then this is gonna kind of go up here. All right, so this side's a little bit different. You are gonna have that same type of plastic, or I guess like thin metal clip here. You don't want to remove that. Okay, so once you remove the little clip portion off of this black part, you're also going to want to pull up this like rubber grommet here. It's just like it's just a plug input. So there you go. And you're going to want to remove this portion off of the clip here, and you're going to want to put that back on so it's covered. It just pulls right off. And you want to take this and you want to replace it back on and cover that with that rubber grommet. Once you hear that click, you know that you're good. So you want to cover that back up. And you want to go ahead and zip tie these to the side here and make sure that they're out of the way. Alright, so that completes the uninstallation of the stock bolts and the stock clips and whatnot. So now we can go ahead and begin installing the actual highway peg, or the engine guard, whatever you want to call it. You're going to want to make sure that you use some of that blue Loctite as well, because you're going to be putting your feet on it, so you don't want it to be, you know, loosening up and moving around. So I'll go ahead and grab a tube of that, and we'll go ahead and get the installation started. Alright, so actually I was trying to do this with one hand, and it was a little bit hard. So what I did is I ended up, a little trick I figured out here, put two in. I would say put two in just dry, without any Loctite, just to hold it in place. I would say finish up one side, Loctite it, and then you can do one by one over here. That way you're good to go, and it doesn't fall over the place while you're trying to install. So let's go ahead and finish up putting these bolts in. A little bit of Loctite goes a long way. You want to just put it on the outside here. So you don't want to do the exact same thing to these two front screws right here. Alright, so here's the final product. Alright, that's basically it for the video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Bung crash bar. I think it looks pretty cool. I've had a couple close encounters, actually one specifically I can remember where I kind of stopped short a little bit and my bike almost tipped over, and luckily I was able to catch it. I had the strength to catch it, but this thing will save your bike. You know, it'll save you a lot of money for the 300. I think it was 350 bucks or something along those lines for the piece or the part. It'll save you a lot of money. God forbid, you know, you happen to, you know, tip the bike over or something like that. But yeah, other than that, go ahead, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, something I could have done differently. If there's something or any other questions you guys have around the engine bar, by all means, feel free to let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer as always. So other than that, safe riding, everybody, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.